We're always so excited to receive great feedback from our satisfied customers. Really, we just want to give every customer a 5-star experience. Here's an awesome review from one of them that we just couldn't resist sharing with you and everyone else.
Fast response when I call, very professional and clean all the debris up, leave no messes. I've had them install 3 furnaces and 2 air conditioners in different places I have lived.
But please, don't take their word for it. We're confident you'll discover the difference for yourself. Attention to detail and unmatched quality are our specialties. Call us today at the number on your screen, and thanks for dropping in on us today. Our door is always open if you have any questions on how we can serve you.